Have you ever wondered what the future of work will look like in the age of AI-powered PCBA testing? Well, let's take a moment to explore this fascinating topic. PCBA testing, or printed circuit board assembly testing, is a critical part of our technological world. But it comes with its fair share of challenges. It's time-consuming, error-prone, and often requires a high level of expertise. Enter artificial intelligence, the game-changing technology that's transforming industries worldwide. AI has the potential to revolutionize PCBA testing by automating complex tasks, reducing errors, and speeding up the process. It's a transformation that's not just about technology, but about people, too. New roles are emerging and new skills are needed. This is an exciting time for those in the industry and those entering it. The future of work is evolving, and AI-powered PCBA testing is at the forefront of this change. As we delve deeper into this digital age, AI-powered PCBA testing is not just a possibility, but an inevitable reality. Let's take a look at a real-life example of how AI has revolutionized PCBA testing. Picture this: a leading electronics manufacturing company struggling with a manual PCBA testing process that was labor-intensive, time-consuming, and prone to errors. The testing process was a bottleneck, causing delays in production and delivery. They saw the potential of artificial intelligence and decided to take the leap. The transition wasn't easy. It required a complete overhaul of their existing system and training the workforce to adapt to the new technology. But they were committed to the transformation and saw it through. The result? A complete turnaround. The AI-powered PCBA testing system they implemented was a game changer. It dramatically increased efficiency, reducing the time taken for testing by over 50%. The accuracy of the tests improved as well, with the system able to detect even the minutest of faults that would have been missed in manual testing. This led to a